I'm Aubrey Woodbridge. I'm the product manager for Ruwag. Ruwag started 25 years ago. It's a family-owned business and currently employs 250 people. We serve the needs of the hardware retail market with power tool accessories, fixing, hand tools and irrigation products. Anything from do-it-yourself, the DIY market, up to professionals. We first became aware of the OKI printer at a trade show where we saw it demonstrated, and we saw that it would be the solution to all the problems we were currently having.
My name is Sean Bezuidenhout. I am the General Manager for a company called NSI Label. We are an official OKI specialty products distributor. We started our journey with OKI back in 2008.
The color reproduction is very accurate and consistent, and we also vary between very short runs and big volume runs, and the OKI can accommodate both of those. We've got about 4,000 different part numbers that all need customized labels. So the flexibility the OKI has given us is to be able to put product-specific information on the packaging instead of just generic information that might not be applicable to what is in that specific packet.
My name is Mpho Mulaudzi. I've been working for NSI for more than 7 years now as a technical manager. The latest OKI that we installed was in April 2021, and since it was a similar printer as the previous printer that they always had, it was just a matter of plug and play. We at NSI, when we do our training, we don't just do training like any other people who are doing training. The easiest way for us to avoid downtime during our absence to our customers, we always give them advanced training so that they can proceed with the machine during our absence.
Moving over to the OKI, we've experienced a big saving not only in the consumables, but compared to our previous printer, the OKI is also much easier to maintain. We don't need specialized users. Our production has increased because of the reduced downtime and maintenance and cleaning that our previous system required. Since we moved over to the OKI printer, we have a lot fewer rejections, so our wastage isn't as much. We also have to keep a lot fewer variations of the stock. We can print all our variations on 5 different labels.
The OKI brand is definitely seen as a trusted supplier. They've been around manufacturing desktop printers for a very, very long time. Recently, since 2008, they've started to expand their horizon into new printing areas like digital packaging. Very successful, and the use of the white color within their product lineup is very unique for this part of the market.
When we initially spec'd the printer, we were forecasting 1.5 million labels per year, and we've currently scaled to 3 million. For us, the main advantage has been the ease of use, simplicity, easy to maintain, and the wide range of applications. We've used it for many applications we didn't even foresee when we bought it initially.
Our company prides itself on service. We don't just see a customer as a customer, we see him as part of our family, so we understand that they're not printers by nature. They are tool manufacturers, they're bakers, they're food and beverage companies. So for us to keep them in their core business is key to the longevity of their business. Ruwag has seen significant growth over the last 3 years. We feel these growths are as a result of having that additional stability and print quality and on-demand delivery system within the packaging environment that has allowed them to take on any size order from their own customers. We see a tremendous future with Ruwag due to the scalability offered by the Pro 1040 and 1050 platform.